Hello, savvy viewers! Are you ready to dive into the world of high-risk industries and unravel the secrets of accepting credit cards in these challenging sectors? Today, we've got an exciting guide for you: Accept Credit Cards in High-Risk Industries, a comprehensive guide. In this video, we'll break down the complexities of high-risk payment processing, explore payment gateway solutions, discuss the importance of high-risk credit card processing, and show you how to tailor e-commerce credit card processing for high-risk sectors. Plus, we'll delve into two specific industries, credit repair and CBD, to shed light on the unique challenges they face when it comes to accepting credit card payments. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and don't forget to leave a comment down below with your thoughts and questions. Let's start. 1. Understanding high-risk payment processing. Industries like credit repair and CBD are often considered high-risk due to factors like regulatory uncertainties, chargeback risks, and legal restrictions. To accept credit card payments in these industries, businesses need specialized payment processing solutions tailored to mitigate potential risks. 2. Exploring high-risk payment gateway solutions. High-risk payment gateways act as intermediaries between the merchant's website and the payment processor, ensuring secure and smooth transactions. These gateways are equipped with advanced fraud detection tools and chargeback management systems to safeguard businesses from potential threats. 3. The importance of high-risk credit card processing. In high-risk industries, credibility is paramount. Having a reliable high-risk credit card processing system not only instills trust among customers, but also enhances the business's reputation. It enables seamless payment experiences, leading to improved customer satisfaction and retention. 4. Tailoring e-commerce credit card processing for high-risk sectors. E-commerce has revolutionized the way businesses operate, and this holds true for high-risk industries as well. By integrating e-commerce credit card processing solutions, businesses can tap into a global customer base, offer flexible payment options, and stay competitive in the market. 5. Accepting credit cards for credit repair businesses. Credit repair companies play a crucial role in helping individuals restore their financial standing. Accepting credit card payments empowers them to reach more clients and provide accessible payment methods, thereby expanding their impact. 6. The CBD Conundrum. Accepting credit card payments. The CBD industry's rapid growth has been accompanied by unique challenges, including payment processing. CBD businesses can overcome these hurdles by partnering with payment processors experienced in handling high-risk transactions within this industry. 7. CBD high-risk credit card processing. CBD businesses need specialized payment solutions tailored to their unique needs. A CBD payment gateway, backed by stringent compliance measures and risk management protocols, can provide the necessary tools to accept credit card payments securely. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and remember to leave your comments and questions down below. For all your high-risk payment processing needs, be sure to visit TouchSuite's website. They've been trusted by over 50,000 companies worldwide, from startups to global brands, for over 20 years. TouchSuite is your go-to payments provider.